Trying to understand the sounds of your Frigidaire dryer? Here are a few tips to help you get started. Some sounds are perfectly normal with your Frigidaire dryer. These are the common sounds you may hear. Suspension rollers. At times, there may be a thumping or rolling sound when the dryer starts. This may happen if the dryer has not been in use for a while or there's a heavy load in the drum. The sound should dissipate as the dryer operates and the flat spots smooth out. Airflow system. There may be some sounds associated with air movement throughout the dryer, such as the air duct and exhaust system. This is normal and can vary with the load size and type. For gas models, gas valve. The flow of gas is controlled by electric solenoids. During operation, there may be a clicking sound as the valve opens and closes to control the gas flow. Gas burner. When the burner is operating, there may be sounds generated as the airflow mixes with the gas flame. This noise is normal and will only occur when the gas is ignited in the combustion tube. If you experience rattling and clanking sounds, there could be an easy fix. Check belt buckles and other fasteners on clothing that may cause rattling or clanking sounds. Tip: fasten or remove these items or turn your clothing inside out to reduce sounds. Check the pockets. Rattling and clanking can also be caused by loose objects, such as coins in the dryer drum. If you don't find anything and the noises continue, try running an empty load to see if the noise persists. This will allow you to determine if the noise is coming from the dryer or an article of clothing. We're here to help. Check out your use and care guide for more information. Visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You've got this.